Well, today's topic of discussion is dental phobia. You know, the dentist is scary enough as it is. But could you imagine what it would be like if you went to your dentist and your dentist ended up being the Terminator, Arnold Swartzenegger? You'd walk into the office and say, "Doc, it's been a long drive getting here. Do you have a restroom that I can use?" He'd probably say something like,
"No more complaining to go to the bathroom. Nothing. There is no bathroom."
What's really strange about having Arnold Schwarzenegger as a dentist is that before he examines you, for some reason, he requires his patients to get undressed.
I need your clothes, your boots.
And I know dental work can be very expensive, so I'd ask Arnold if he could give me a discount. And of course, like any initial dentist visit, Arnold's going to give me a long questionnaire to fill out.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately.
Then I told him, Doc, I have a really bad tooth that needs to come out.
Of course, I'm a Terminator.
So I asked him, am I going to feel anything when you pull out my tooth?
Only pain.
Then I said, Doc, I've got this strange growth on my lower gum. But he assured me,
It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor at all.
So I said, but Doc, can you get rid of it?
If it bleeds, we can kill it.
Then he informed me that the tooth next to it needed a crown. I said, okay, Doc, well, what's a crown?
A cybernetic organism, living tissue over a metal endoskeleton.
So he did all the procedures, and he actually did pretty good, considering he's like Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator. And as I was checking out, I said, Doc, are you sure you accept my dental insurance? He replied in Spanish and said,
No problemo.
But for some reason, I don't think he was particularly pleased with me as a patient, because when I asked for a return appointment, he said,
Hasta la vista, baby. You are terminated.
So as I look back at the whole experience, I decided it's not a good idea to have Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator, as your dentist.